Okay, how's it going? We're going to start part 2 here. Oh, it doesn't let me flip the camera around once I start. Sorry about that. Okay, this is going to be part 2. In the part 1, I'd recommend you watching. Went over this stuff in detail. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. Over your line. We're only waiting for this moment to arrive. And then the intro is what I want to concentrate on this video on. I'll show you a couple ways. The simpler version is actually a little bit more linear movement, but less finger dexterity movement. So, after the to arise, then you have to repeat it. This moment to arise. You go to the 8th fret, first and pinky finger. So you can just keep the index and little finger and you just adjust whether it's a 2 fret assignment, like here on the F chord, 8th fret, 5th string, little finger on the B string, which is now the 10th fret, or 2 below 12, if that's easier for you. So, 10's too high to count. That's 2 below the 12. 12 is the double. Very important thing to know about. So it's F, E minor, D minor, C, B flat. And it repeats. Blackbird fly. Blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. Second verse, 2, 3. So here, we're going to go to the, you've gone through the first verse, you're ready for your first Blackbird charge, okay? 8th fret, 5th string, little finger, 10th fret on the B string. So the second from the outside strings, then you're going to keep repeating this open G string. Oops, I apologize. So 8th fret, 7th fret, but now only 1 fret stretch, so you contract your left hand. To the 3rd fret, so 8th, 7th, 5th, these two are 1 fret, this is 2 fret, which is, you know, so it's F, E minor, D minor, C, B flat, but you're just playing a couple notes of it. And it's a good technique for when you're, you see chords. You don't have to play the entire chord. You can just play a couple notes. Paul showed us how to do that, right? So, and the G just keeps ringing throughout the whole thing, which keeps it in a G key. You could call it a pedal G if you wanted to be a music theory nerd. And I know people like that. So, okay. So one more time cleanly. Blackbird fly. And this kind and it repeats. Bird fly into the night. As an A and a C sharp. So open 5th string. You should start to learn what these notes and frets are doing. So this is a part of the A chord, but you play the A, D, which can you see it's an A minor chord. We're waiting for this moment to arrive. Second verse, 2, 3. Take a breath and learn to fly all your life. Okay, here, then it repeats again. 8th fret. And I use it end it here. Oh, and the second time through, I'll usually on the way up to it. go down a fret and slide into it. It's not necessary, but when I usually do it, I distinguish that. The first time through, I don't do that one. Second time through, I just give a little flavor. You were only waiting for that moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. And you can have that little 1-fret chromatic approach as just a little color. Hope that's helpful, and we'll try to do one tying it all together shortly. Thanks.